Hey, I'm showing you guys the pizza first in Target because I had to go on my lunch break to record this video. Okay, but the pizza was really good. So if there's a Target near you that actually has that little food section and has pizza, definitely. I mean, it's Pizza Hut, so but it's still good to say that it's like in the store. Anyway, let's get to the Target clearance. You guys, I'm not gonna ramble and talk your head off today, but what I am gonna do is show you some good clearance items in Target because let's face it, you're not gonna find just a ton of clearance stuff when it comes to something other than clothing in Target. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's quick, it's just a look at what was on clearance in a few different sections of the store. So I'll be showing you guys some travel stuff like this stuff that you just saw, the travel pillow. They have some packing cubes. I'll also be showing you guys a few kitchenware items like like a tea kettle and stuff, some cups, and some stationery stuff like they also had like some binder inserts and stuff like that. I couldn't find the price on it while I was showing it to you, but I will show you myself walking around to get a price for one of the items, and also some toys. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and yeah, I'll catch back up with you guys at the end. Alrighty, you guys, we've reached the end. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share the video with someone who you think might enjoy it. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.